back down the road, going back there again because they got a home inspection. See it sitting right down the dog, guys. Get over to King's Mill. Get ready to get some good jobs lined up. Fucking 10 minutes I've been over there. The dude called me up and said, you gotta come back over here, man. I got an inspection because I got a VA loan on that shit, you know. So, going back over there now to replace all the foundation vents. And the glass. I replace the glass. So just going to pick the glass up, get it back over here now, and replacing that thing and foundation vents and a couple pieces of cracked glass and shit that's on that inspection report. Fucking failing vents. You fucking break all that fucking water out of there and rip all them bitches out, clean that shit up, and replace it with one of these. 9 times. That's what we're doing today.
Catch all this shit. Clean up.
Use that mortar pan if you want to. Come back and mortar them all at the same time. Or you're gonna do them one at a time. Breaking all that shit up. And all the old shit. And slide the new ones down. The thing we run into is the old opening is 15 3/4 and the fucking vents are fucking 16 inches. So they had to break a fucking miter saw out now and cut fucking 1/4 of an inch. How much you going to cut off of there? Not to be much on that one. Yeah, the fucking shadow.
Actually on a skew.
Huh?
On a skew.
We put that shit on a miter saw. Chop that shit down.
Oh, it does slide?
Sometimes you gotta cut shit to make it fit. And come back and mortar these bitches after the fact. You just gotta break all that concrete out of there until you get your shit to fit. Trim that bitch up. Then I'll slide that thing in the hole. Maybe a little tight. You might have to keep on whittling at the concrete and fucking with it. Work a bitch on up in there and get it nice and snug. And I'm using some vinyl adhesive, Venus-Seal, to seal mine in. But when I run out of that, I might use some neoprene or something. And some of these I'm gonna have to mix up some mortar in a mortar pan and fucking mortar these bitches in the hole. But so now that we done fucking been here all day long and it's 5 o'clock in the damn evening time, every fucking vent was too small for was too big for the hole. They had to be all cut and fit. Everything had to be fucking sealed and mortared in. The glass company cut the glass too short. So that had to be fucking shimmed in the fucking holes and fucking nailed in, fucking glazed and everything right there. That one. Another vent. So that's what we did today. All that white shit, that white sealer I put around it, it'll turn clear. But wow. I hope this house doesn't get a broken contract and end up getting another inspection, so I don't want to come back here no more. Well, that's how you do it. Chipped all that shit out like this one right here. I put new mortar. Just mix your mortar up in a pan. Or you can get that little shit that's already mixed, that pre-mixed stuff. That's another window right there that was too fucking small for the damn hole. I had to fucking nail and shim that shit up. So that one. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV and watch some of the more fucked up shit we do like this. This one right here, I had to mortar this bitch in the hole too. That one. So that's how you put cross case vents in. You cut them down, you bastardize the fuck out of the shit, make it fit however you can, and be happy with it. So y'all have a good day. Subscribe to the channel. Got any questions, leave a comment, and watch the next video. I'm done.